Hello, it's Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Automator macros on a Mac. Let's get started. So Automator is an app developed by Apple, and it allows you to make macros that can speed up your productivity. And these macros can be standalone apps, or quick actions, or really just about anything you can think of. So the first thing that we want to do is open up the Automator app, and we're going to create a new document, and then we can choose the type of macro. So it can be a workflow, which is triggered by Automator, or a standalone application, or a quick action, or a calendar alarm. But we're going to start with the application. So we're just going to click on choose. And then we can start building our macro. So on the left side, you'll see all these actions that we can run, and we can combine these actions to make a workflow. And the first macro that we're going to make is a simple tool that can rename multiple files. So we can start by finding the get specified finder items and dragging it into the workflow. And we can set additional options for each action. So you can just click on the options button, and then we're going to check show this action, and this is going to prompt the user for the list of files that they want to rename. So the next action that we want to add is a confirmation dialog box. So we can just search for ask for confirmation and drag it in. And we're going to set the message to are you sure? And then we can click on the icon to change it to a warning sign. And the last action that we want to add is the rename finder items. So you can just drag it in. And it's going to ask us if you want to copy the items. So we can just press don't add. And then we can choose a format that we want to rename with. So we can either add the date or time, or add additional text, or change the case from upper to lower, but we're just going to set it to add date or time. And under where, we're going to change it to before name, and we're going to set the separator to a dash. And that's it. So now we can test the workflow by pressing the run button, and it's going to show us this window that is prompting us for finder items. So you can click on add, and choose some files that we want to rename. And then we can hit continue, and then we're going to hit OK, and it worked. So to save it as an application, we can just press Command S and save it to our applications folder with the name file renamer. And then we can hit save. And if we go to our applications folder, there it is. So as you can see, this is a very versatile tool, and you can use it to make a bunch of cool macros that can really speed up your productivity. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye!